Today I'm breaking down 6 summer outfit formulas that are so easy and so simple to recreate, and the beauty of these formulas is that they are timeless. I'm going to show you my old outfits from 10, 6, 5 years ago, using the same outfit formulas to show you and to prove how timeless they are.
I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight.
Hello beautiful people, my name is Elena. I'm a professional stylist with over 12 years of experience and I don't like long introductions, so let's dive into it. Outfit formula number 1, and hear me out because this is very interesting. So the easiest way to elevate your high street summer dress for a designer piece level, is to swap the original fabric belt for a contrasting like skinny scarf, for example, or maybe it might be your basic leather belt. So the real problem is that the original fabric belt reveals the real origin of the dress. So by swapping it to something like new, we can come up with creating something really interesting. So just for example, I bought this nice shirt dress a few days ago, and by the way, this is the same dress that I have featured here in this video. 9 pieces, 30 outfits in one carry-on, a chic and exciting vacation capsule in a small carry-on luggage. Watch this video if you somehow missed this one because it was really good. So I knew from the first glance that if I bought this dress, I was going to change the belt for my old skinny scarf to elevate this dress a notch. The only thing left here is to throw your favorite leather sandals and the handbag, and that's it, easy as that. So outfit formula number 1 is so easy to apply. The result is so huge. Swap the original belt for a skinny scarf and enjoy the results. And to prove you that it's a timeless approach, here's my outfit from 7 years ago, where I have used the same trick. Now, outfit formula number 2, let's call it something like European, bohemian, chic. And before we start, I want to show you this outfit of mine from 2014. Like exactly 10 years ago, to prove to you that this outfit formula is timeless, okay? Timeless, and it's so elegant and so chic. Honestly, I would wear the exact outfit with the exact clothing pieces if I only had them, but still, I have this silk fringe scarf, and let's use it to recreate this outfit today. And I encourage you to do the same and enjoy the result for the next 10 years to come. So we start with a basic cotton button-up, which I'm sure you have in your closet. And as always, style is in the details. I'm going for a half tuck since the pants are too thin. I mean, the fabric is too thin and too flowy, and I can't do a full tuck. Plus, I need it since I'm close to a petite frame and it feels like the shirt is too long for me. So rolling up my sleeves for the same reason, and the key accessory here is a black skinny scarf. It might be a smaller size scarf, it doesn't have to be that long. So I have linked a few interesting options in the description box, including some really nice pieces from Etsy. Satin printed pants, and I decided to go for a straw basket handbag since I love how these pants and the texture of the bag echo each other. It might be a basic black bag, like in my original outfit from 10 years ago, and voila, chic, elegant, unique, not boring at all. I hope I have inspired you to think wider and further than just basic t-shirt, jeans and sneakers outfits. And before we continue, just a gentle reminder, especially for those who are new to my channel, guys, I have created a very simple yet highly effective style quiz. Take this quiz, it will take just a few moments, and you will get your personal wardrobe plan absolutely free right to your mailbox. If you watch tons of fashion content here on YouTube and still have no clue where to start from, this is the moment for a more professional approach. Thousands of women took this quiz and it helped them take their first steps towards creating their own personal style. Well, you know where to find the link, and we're back to the topic. Outfit formula number 3, nautical vibes. It's another beautiful, easy and so simple to recreate yet so polished and put together style to play around with nautical style elements. It's a timeless style that always looks chic, especially in a heat wave. And the beauty of this style is that we'll need only white tailored shorts, striped top with thick navy blue, not black, well, it's better to opt for navy blue stripes to capture the true nautical style. And If you want to dive even deeper into this style, opt for a boat neck top. This design gives you more of a retro vibe, which beautifully represents the nautical look. And I opted for a straw handbag to enhance this vacation sort of feeling and rounded sunglasses. And I love how tan belt looks here. Not black, but tan one that echoes the color of my skin. And it doesn't look as boring as black one would do. Here's the final look. Neutral sandals, a comfy straw bag with a long strap to wear as a shoulder bag, and I'm ready to go. And yes, as always, I have linked all the fashion pieces that I'm using here in this video. I have linked everything in the description box along with all the needed information for you to recreate my outfits. Okay, now outfit formula number 4, and this is like no doubt, this is my favorite one. So, short dress over the shorts. I've been using this outfit formula for more than 10 years and it always looks so chic and elegant and creative. Here are my outfits from 7 years and 5 years ago, and time changes, my wardrobe changes, but I will always use this outfit formula with all of the short dresses I have in my life. So we're starting from a basic underlayer black shorts and a black tank top, just for example. So to make it work, we just add a second layer, our short dress from the first outfit or any other short dress. And here is an important trick, and hear me out, this is important. Use the original belt. Yes, sometimes we do really need our original fabric belt to pull the fabric backwards and create a nice X silhouette. This makes the look work, especially if you have a loose, oversized dress and you don't want to look too bulky in all those layers. And one more time, this is the final look and I just love it. This is the same dress that I have used in the first outfit formula and I love this dress. It's just $29.99, something like that. I will link it in the description box. By the way, I highly recommend you follow me on my Instagram account because I post every single day my real life, like get ready with me format outfits, and through the lenses of these outfits, I share valuable styling information like style hacks and tricks and everything you want to know to make your everyday styling habits and styling routine so much easier. I have created a small but very friendly Instagram community. You're so welcome to join us and you know where to find the link. Now, outfit number 5, and I bet this one is going to be your favorite one because we're talking about the Parisian chic. We start with basic blue jeans, throwing in my striped top, another classic piece of your wardrobe, and the key here is in the detail. Like as always, we're talking about style and fashion, it's always in the details. A red scarf. I'm wearing a cotton bandana-scarf, but it could be just a silky or satin scarf if you prefer, it doesn't matter actually. And red lipstick. 2 accents that mirror each other in the portrait zone, a favorite trick of all French women. And ballet flats. They might be classic ballet flats, Mary Jane's, another favorite piece of French women, or maybe loafers. I went for trendy mesh ballet flats, and a few retro accessories like my cat-eye sunnies would enhance the outfit formula even more, bringing those cute, beautiful Parisian chic vibes. Well, I hope I have inspired you. All the links are waiting for you in the description box. And the last outfit formula for today is a classic black and white high contrast minimal outfit formula. So we're starting here with a white denim skirt or jeans. I'm opting for a skirt since I love skirts more than jeans. So throwing in a classic cotton office-like button-up. And again, it's all about details, especially in terms of minimalist and clean styling. So hear me out, this is like another highlight in today's video. The more plain and clean the styling is, the more important it is to pay attention to details, accessories, quality of your garment and proportions. And since minimalist clean vibes will reveal everything. Speaking of proportions and silhouettes, I opted for a leather belt to define my waistline and make it look polished and put together. I also rolled the sleeves up for the same goal to create a nice 2/3 proportions, where the full skirt covers almost 2/3 of my height and the shirt, including the sleeves, takes only 1/3 of my height. It's a perfect trick for petite girls or plus size girls. Anyway, the outfit formula here is so simple. White denim skirt or pants or jeans paired with a striped cotton short. Go for less contrasting pieces like creamy off-white paired with navy blue or dark brown if you don't like high contrast outfits. Guys, honestly, we have a crazy heat wave situation here in Lisbon. Just look at my face. So let's call it a day. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. I hope I brought some value to you. I hope I have inspired you. If I did, please share this video, drop your comments and subscribe. Well, you know the drill. Anyway, thank you so much for spending this time with me and see you in the next one.